Welcome back to Future AI Tools. If you've ever wanted to create high-quality videos but struggled with complex editing software, Pictory AI is the perfect solution for you. This AI-powered tool lets you create professional videos without any editing skills. You can turn a script, blog post, or article into a full-fledged video with voiceovers, stock footage, and captions. In today's video, I will 1. Show you how Pictory AI works. 2. Give you a step-by-step tutorial. 3. Share who should use this tool. 4. Compare it to traditional video editing software. 5. And provide pro tips for better AI-generated videos. Stay till the end because I'll also share a secret tip that will make your videos look even more professional. Now, let's dive in. Pictory AI is an AI-powered video editing platform designed for content creators, businesses, and educators. Here's what makes it special: white check mark, text to video conversion, turn any script or blog into a high-quality video. White check mark, AI voiceovers, generate human-like voiceovers in multiple languages. White check mark, auto captions, generate subtitles instantly to boost engagement. White check mark, stock footage and music, choose from a huge media library. White check mark, AI scene detection, automatically selects visuals based on your script. White check mark, cloud-based, no software installation required. It's like having an AI-powered video editor that does all the hard work for you. Now, let's see how to use Pictory AI step by step. Here's a complete guide on how you can create AI-powered videos with Pictory AI. Step 1. Sign up for Pictory AI. Go to pictory.ai and create a free account. The free version allows you to test the platform with some limitations. Step 2. Choose a video type. Pictory offers different options. 1. Script to video, paste a script, and AI creates the visuals. 2. Article to video, convert a blog post into a video. 3. Edit videos with AI, automatically add captions and visuals to existing footage. For this demo, let's use script to video. Step 3. Enter your script, copy and paste your text or script, and Pictory AI will break it into scenes automatically. Step 4. Customize your video. Now, you can 1. Select from different templates. 2. Choose stock footage and images. 3. Edit the text overlays. 4. Add AI voiceovers. Pictory automatically matches your text with relevant visuals, but you can replace clips manually if needed. Step 5. Add voiceovers and background music. You can choose from 1. AI generated voiceovers. 2. Record your own narration. 3. Use background music from the library. Step 6. Generate and download your video. Once you're satisfied with the edits, click Generate. Within a few minutes, your AI video is ready. You can then download and share it on YouTube, social media, or your website. That's how simple it is to create a high-quality video using Pictory AI. This tool is perfect for 1. YouTubers, create faceless videos fast. 2. Marketers, repurpose blog content into engaging videos. 3. Educators, make tutorials without editing skills. 4. Business owners, create promotional videos easily. Pictory AI is designed for anyone who wants to create videos without spending hours on editing. How does Pictory AI compare to tools like Premiere Pro or Final Cut Pro? White check mark, no editing skills needed, AI handles everything. White check mark, faster video creation, save hours of manual work. White check mark, affordable, free and paid plans available. White check mark, web-based, no downloads required. Traditional software gives more control, but Pictory AI is perfect for quick, professional-looking videos without the hassle. Want your AI videos to stand out? Here are some pro tips. 1. Use custom thumbnails. A good thumbnail can increase clicks. 2. Optimize your titles and tags, use trending keywords for better reach. 3. Mix AI voiceovers with real voiceovers, this makes your content sound more natural. 4. Add a call to action, encourage viewers to subscribe or comment. 5. Test different templates, experiment with different styles to see what works best. Follow these tips, and your AI-generated videos will perform even better. That's it for today's video. Pictory AI is one of the best AI-powered video tools, making content creation faster and easier than ever. If you want to try it yourself, visit, insert link, and start creating AI videos today. What do you think about AI video tools? Comment below. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more AI tool reviews. See you in the next video.